What's good, Kavari crew? It's your boy Mel, and if you can't tell by my background, I am standing in the middle of our brand new kitchen, and I'm super lit, super excited. It is actually 3:01 in the morning. 3:01 in the morning, and I'm here by myself. Naz is back home asleep. She's super tired and super drained and exhausted from moving all day and just running errands, trying to get things ready for the house. So she doesn't even know that I'm here, to be honest. She's at home asleep. I left when she was asleep already. And I'm just gonna surprise her and have this house tour already done because the movers are coming at 10 in the morning. So it's either this, me come here now and get it done, or we have to wake up at like 7 in the morning and try and rush here and film it before. But then we also have a little bit of packing left to do, so I'd rather us get our packing done than try and rush out here and film the tour. So I think Niles will be happy waking up in the morning seeing that I actually got this done for us. You know, I'm the night owl of the relationship anyway, so this is nothing new for me. I stay up till about 3, 4 in the morning every day. So let's get this house tour out of the way. I'm so excited to show you guys this house. Like, it's so beautiful. Me and Naz have been so excited. It's been so hard keeping this secret from you guys. Like, we've been going through this process for so many months, and honestly it happened so fast because we didn't even start looking for houses until after we found out Niles was pregnant. So within 7 months we like found a place, got a house built, and moved in. So like everything's been moving so fast, and we've been doing so much. Super exhausted, so drained, but now like there's such a stress relief off of our shoulders that we're moved into this house. We got the keys today. We're here. So our date was originally supposed to be like the end of October, and it kept getting pushed back due to, you know, weather or different things would happen to where the house ended up getting pushed back to December. And we were scared that it would get pushed back into 2020. With the baby being born in March, we wanted to be able to move in with enough time to get comfortable and, you know, acclimated with our new environment. And I think that moving in right now is perfect timing. So couldn't be happier. We're super excited. Now let's get on to this house tour. Okay, so right now we're standing in the entryway. Directly behind you guys is the front door. So imagine you guys just walked into the house. This is like the first thing you guys see. We have our steps here, and then there's like the entryway into the kitchen, living room area, which I'll show you guys in a second. But first, we'll have to start off in this direction. And Naz and I already have our mind set on this room being the in-law suite. So when our parents come to visit, this will be the room that they stay in. So we're gonna decorate it really nice, super comfortable, and really cozy. So this is gonna be like the main guest room. And I think it's perfect that it's on the first floor. You're like away from the baby, away from us. And you're kind of like on your own little island, like right before you even enter the house. So you have a quick exit. So it's kind of like your own little mini apartment. There's a bathroom and shower in there, which I'm going to show you guys as well. So you see it's a nice sized bedroom. So once you leave the in-law suite, then you're back here at the entry. Let's make our way a little bit deeper into the house. So as you make your way through the entrance hall, you end up in the kitchen and living room area. This middle part I'll show you before we go upstairs, but I just want to show you the rest of the downstairs before we start to make our way up. But once you get to the end of the hall, you are standing in the entryway of the kitchen and the living room. And then here behind me is a hallway towards the garage and where my man cave will be. So we'll get to that in a second. But first, let's step this way into the kitchen. So now, as you can see behind me, we have the kitchen, which is something Naz and I are both super excited about. First of all, look at this huge island. Like, look at this, so much space. Like, I've never seen an island this big. And this is perfect for me and Nas because we love like cooking together and we love having people over for dinner, like Yasmin and Ponte coming over for dinner, and we just love hosting. So having this much space to like host and cook and prep and do things is gonna be so perfect for us. So we're super excited about this island like specifically, and then Nas is crazy excited about the pantry. As you guys can see, the pantry is huge, and I'm so worried about the pantry because I feel like with a pantry of that size, you have to keep it stocked. Like you can't be running low on snacks and supplies and whatever you put in the pantry. Like it has to be fully stocked at all times. Like, and then Nas is gonna be having, she's gonna get the little glass jars and color coordinate the snacks and everything in there, like, so she's gonna have it looking all nice and crazy in there. One other thing that we were really excited about in this kitchen is the sink. We love how deep the sink is. The past two like apartments we stayed in, the sinks were super shallow. Those of you who wash dishes a lot and stuff like that, you understand having a deep sink like makes things so much easier. The microwave, I think the microwave's cool too. It looks like a little oven. Even the way it opens like an oven. And then I'll talk briefly about this area over here. This is gonna be our dining area. So we're gonna put our dining table right there. Probably in the corner or against that wall, we'll do like a bar, or we wanna definitely like extend the countertop a little bit more on that side just to kind of fill the gap, or maybe even put some type of table or just something to fill that space over there. And then I'll quickly show you guys. It's a little, obviously it's late so you can't see, but this door would lead to the backyard, which I'll just have to insert a clip of that from tomorrow when we come so you guys can see when it's light out. Okay, so right here is the like living room, family room, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna have like a big, cozy, comfy couch here, and then probably like chairs on either side of it, a couple plants. Then we wanna put a huge entertainment system against this wall where our TV is gonna hang like right here. But we also wanna build like shelves and stuff around our TV. It's gonna be hanging right here. So this area will like rarely be used. This is where I'll like probably sit and like turn on TV or a movie while we're in the kitchen cooking or something like that. But this is not gonna be like our main lounge around and watch TV area. But there will be a TV and entertainment and a super cozy couch here. But this will just be like, you know, when guests come over for a quick time and they just want to chit chat. But if you're coming over to lounge around, we'll have two different areas for that to happen in, which I will show you guys later. Okay, now you can see that we are back in the kind of entrance hall area. But now we're gonna head down this small little hallway. But before that, I can show you this door here under the steps. It's literally just a huge closet. Here, I'll show you guys. So as you can see, under the steps is just like a huge closet. We're not exactly sure what we want to do with it. And then we make our way down the hall. And you can see that we have another closet, which is why I'm not too concerned about using one of the steps as a closet, because we'll still have a coat closet. And then you keep making your way down and we have our spare bathroom. This one does not have a shower in it. And then there's me. Don't mind the fit, like these is almost pajamas. I am so tired. Then we come here to my soon to be favorite room in the house. Let me set this camera up real quick. This is my soon-to-be favorite room in the house. If you guys have been watching this for a long time, you know that currently my man cave is our guest bedroom, which really isn't like a man cave. But this time, I finally get a legit man cave. Like, I'm so excited to transform this room and just make it my own. Like, I can do whatever I want in this room, hang up whatever I want. Like, this is gonna be my area for when my friends come over, or where I come to edit or just relax or get away from all the commotion and just wanna be alone. This is gonna be my area. I'm super excited to just mellify it in here and make it super cozy and just like me. And this is like the farthest room from the master bedroom. So if I'm down here playing the game or listening to music or you know, watching videos or a movie, I don't have to worry about waking up Naz or even the baby. So now continuing the tour, we go back down this hallway. Okay, now I have to hurry up. The battery is dying and I do not have an extra camera. So let's speed through this a little bit. Now we're making our way up the steps. Again, I love our entryway. It's so beautiful, so open, so spacious. This here will be our loft slash movie room. We're gonna put the couch that we currently have in our apartment here, a big TV on the wall. We're gonna add like an extra countertop with a mini fridge installed up here so that we can have snacks and cold drinks. So that people who are watching movies, they don't have to go all the way downstairs. Then you make your way through here, and we have another area that Naz is super excited about because she loves doing laundry. Like, she literally loves it. So now she has a full laundry room. And we do have a washer and dryer. It's on its way. It hasn't been delivered yet, but it's coming. So she's so excited about this. All of these shelves. And then directly across from the laundry room is the master bedroom where all the magic happens. So you can see we have our balcony. This is one of my favorite parts of the master bedroom. And this is one thing that I made sure that we got as part of one of our upgrades is the balcony. So you guys can see a little bit. But it is a huge balcony. So we're thinking about putting like a treadmill and stuff out there so we can do morning workouts. What's good, y'all? If you can't tell, it is the next day. The camera died, unfortunately, so I had to stop the video abruptly. But I am back to continue the tour, and I have a special guest with me who's here checking out his new crib. What you think, boy? You like it? You like it? Yeah, I think he says it's dope. If I'm not mistaken, I believe we left off upstairs, heading into the master bedroom. So let's go back up these steps. Come on, Bose. Where you going? Come on. He's not super used to steps. Since it's light out, I can show you guys the balcony. This is the balcony from the master bedroom. What you can see, the backyard is huge. I like that there's natural light, but not too much. Because too much natural light can make it feel hot in the room. Moving on to the bathroom. This bathroom is huge. I'm so excited to have such a big bathroom for me and Naz. And we can finally do our morning and night routines together. This is gonna be my sink because I don't need as much space. And then this is gonna be Naz's, so she can have all this space, all this room over here. So it's actually set up perfect because I actually didn't wanna have too much room, so this works out perfect because if I had this much space, I would feel so much more comfortable leaving stuff on top of the counter. Y'all was probably wondering, where's the toilet? Here's the think tank right here. This is where I'll come up with all my master plans. And then the closet. I'm so excited about this huge closet. I can finally keep some of my clothes in the master closet and not have to keep it in the guest room. I'm still not gonna put all my clothes in here because Naz and I really do have too much clothes. But I believe we're gonna take this wall, either this wall here or this wall, and put like my shoe wall in. So we're gonna build like a nice display for my shoes, nice custom shelves and stuff like that. So it's gonna look really dope and I'm super excited. And one more thing I didn't show y'all is the size of this tub. I usually don't like taking baths just because I can never fit, but this tub I can fit comfortably, and I still even have a little extra leg room for my feet to stretch even more. Definitely can see myself taking some baths in here. Bozy boy wants to take a bath. You guys remember I showed you the loft last night? So here's that in the light. I love the fact that we do not have a neighbor on this side. So there's nobody on the side of us. This here is gonna be our baby's room. I love this little windowsill. Nas was kind of skeptical about it. But I'm like, this would be perfect. Come sit, you can come lay with him, even when he's a baby. Like, we'll get like a nice pad or cushion for this, and he can lay down, or you know, this is where I can come to get him dressed and stuff like that. So I think this little ledge is perfect. And you can see he has a bathroom in here. All right, so then you come to this room next door, which also has its own full bathroom, shower and everything. But this is gonna be Naz's beauty room. This is where she'll film, do her makeup, get ready for the day. We're thinking about putting a custom built shelf in this little nook right here to display all of her purses. I believe this is like the smallest room, so it's also perfect for the beauty room so that no guests feel like they're squeezed into this little room. To the last and final, this room, the bathroom is not attached, but it is directly outside of it, right outside the room. And then you see this is another carpeted room. This is gonna be our guest room. So this room we're probably gonna have super plain for a while, you know, because we don't really plan on having double guests at the same time besides our parents, like right after the pregnancy. But you know, all they need is a bed to sleep in. You know, our parents won't be cooped up in their room, so they won't need too much. So I think we're gonna take Cozy Boy outside for the first time to experience his nice big backyard. So I think he's excited and I'm excited too. So let's go see what's up. Never had this much space, huh, boy? Never had this much space, huh, boy? Come on, boy, run around, boy. What is that? No. He is loving all this space.
What's up, you guys? It's been a few days since we moved in. Shout out to Mel for filming that empty house tour, and literally it feels so good to just be finally in this house and settled in. We're 3 days deep into this house, so finally most of the boxes are unpacked and thrown out, so the house definitely looks a lot more clean. And you know, you can see we got some stuff on the countertops. It's starting to feel like a home, so you guys should definitely expect some home decor vlogs and, you know, room transformations and things like that. We can't wait to make those videos. Thank you so much to everybody who congratulated us on the new home. We're so excited, and we're so happy that you guys are excited for us as well. And we'll see you guys again for our next video. Bye, guys.